Welcome to part 2. If you didn't see part 1, go back and watch part 1. So here we're going to fold the lights over, put them mainly at the top to give it that vine look. Should look like this. Now we're going to go in, I'm going to hit it a little bit more with my blingery, just to help those lights pop a little bit more. So I'm going to go in, do my 3 different types of blingery. Look at it shine. And I just like to go in, fix the little touches. I arrange some of the blingery so that it's against the lights to kind of make it shine a little bit more. Here is where I'm creating the base at the top to hold the light switch. So I'm going to cut that, take about, I don't know, a couple centimeters off. I'm going to put a little glue around the circumference. Let it dry a little bit. And then I'm going to go ahead and stick this at the top. And then I am going to wiggle it in place. Sometimes it goes perfect, sometimes it doesn't. So I'm going to just go in and fix that. This is going to be the base to hold the light. Makes it easier to access the light, makes it easier to push when you're trying to, go between the light modes. And I'm just going in to fix this. Now just know, like, if anybody's interested in these terrariums, because they no longer sell them at the store, I will be creating them and selling them. So the light is in place. I'm gonna go ahead and fix the top. And I do a little string, so I put a little bit of glue in there just to hold those strings in place in case you do want to use it as a hanging terrarium. You will be able to hang it. And just set that in there, and that is nice and secure. Look at that. Now the final touch, I always put like a little butterfly in there and to match the succulent. This is the final touch. And I love to put it on the side. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow, guys. And it just looks like that when I'm done. Bye.